Hello everyone, welcome to our video series on Learn German. In the previous class, we have learned cardinal number 1 to 20. Now further we will learn 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90 onwards, their pronunciation in German, and further we will learn how to write 21, 22, 23 and their sound. Okay, so let's start. First one is 10. 10. This is 10. The pronunciation of 10 is sin, sin, shin. 20. Schwanzes, schwanzes, schwanzes. 30. Dreißig, dreißig. 40. Vierzig, vierzig. 50. Fünfzig, fünfzig. 60. Sechzig, sechzig. 70. Siebzig, siebzig. 80. Achtzig, achtzig. 90. Neunzig, neunzig. 100. Hundert, hundert. Einhundert. One is ein and this is hundert. 200. To zweihundert, zweihundert, zweihundert. 300. Dreihundert, dreihundert and thousand, thousand. Thousand is thousand, ein thousand. So repeat once again. 100 to 10 to 100, 200, 300 onwards. Okay, once. 10. 10 is seen, seen. 20. Schwanzes, schwanzes. 30. Dreißig, dreißig. 40. Vierzig, vierzig. 50. Fünfzig, fünfzig. 60. Sechzig, sechzig. 70. Siebzig, siebzig. 80. Achtzig, achtzig. 80, achtzig. 90, neunzig, neunzig. 100, hundert, einhundert. 200. Zweihundert, zweihundert. 300, dreihundert and thousand is thousand, ein thousand. So further we will learn how to write 21, 22, 23 and 201 like 201, 202, yeah, 41, 51, 61, 1001. So next we start from 21. So now we learn 21. We write 20 plus 1 tens and this is ones in English. But ones plus tens in German, just opposite of this. This means that we have to write ones. We have to write ones first, then we have to write tens. So so now we will learn to fabricate number 21. First one thing and is und. And English word, sorry, in German is und, U-N-D, und. So 21 is 21 20 and 1. 20 plus 1. So first we have to write 1. 1 is ein. And is un. And 20. 20 is zwanzig. Okay. So we have seen 20 and 1. This is becoming 21. So we have to write first 1. 1 is ein. And und. And 20 zwanzig. This become 21. Okay. Also just like 21. Next is 22. 20 plus 2. 20 is zwanzig. And 2 is 2. So in the German we have to write first 2 means 2 and is und and 20 is zwanzig. So this is 2 und zwanzig. This is pronunciation of 22 is 2 und zwanzig. Just like 22, 23. 20 plus 3. 3 is 3. 3 3. And 20 is zwanzig. And is und. 3 und zwanzig. 3 und zwanzig. So just like 21, 22, 24 also 4 is 4 und zwanzig. Okay, this is like the 21, 22, 23 up to 29. Next is 31. How we write 31 in German? First we know that 30 is dreißig. So 30 and 1. 1 is ein and 30 is dreißig. And is und. Ein und dreißig is Venice. Eins of S is Venice. So pronunciation of 31 ein und dreißig. 32. Just like 31, 32, 32. In German, first we write 2 after 30. 2 and 30. 2 is 2. 30 is dreißig. And is und. 2 und dreißig. 31 ein und dreißig. 32 2 und dreißig. Just like 33. 30, 30 and 3 exchange, 3 there, 30 there, and this is n. So 3 is dry and und, 30 is dry cis. This become dry und dry cis. Right, dry und dry cis. Okay, just like 34, 35, 36 onwards, we have to follow this pattern. Okay, next one is 41. We know that 40 in German is Fürsis. So follow the same pattern. 41, 40 and 1 exchange, same, 1 and 40. 1 is ein and is und, and 40 is Fürsis. This become ein und Fürsis. 42, 40 and 2. 2 become to sein and become same like und, and 40 become Fürsis. So this become, they see 41, 40 and 1. Write first 1, then write 40. 1 is ein und Fürsis. Same 42, 40 and 2. 2 write failure, 2 write first, zwei und Fürsis. Just like 41, 42, 43 also, we have to write same pattern. 43, 43, 40 tens, 3 ones, and so we have to write first 3 and 40. 3 is dry and is und. 40 is Fürsis. This become dry und Fürsis. Okay, so follow the same pattern. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and next we know that 50 is Fünfzig. Then 51 we have to write 51, follow the 50 and 1. So you have learned write 1 first, then and 50 Fünfzig. So next also 60, 1 first und and 60. 60 is Sechzig. Also 62, 2 first, then and 60. Zwei und Sechzig. Same pattern we follow. 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 100. So these are the cardinal number. We can write, follow this pattern and write easily 1 to 100. If we know that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 100, we are able to write how to 21, 22, 23, 41, 42, 43, just like 61, 62. Follow this pattern. In English we have to write 10 first, then ones. But in German we have to write ones first, then tens. Okay, so today class is all over the today class. Next class we will learn some extra numbers: 1000, 1001, 1002, 100, 101, 102, and also ordinal number. So thanks for watching. We will meet next lecture.